Hi friends, this is the retired old monk and today I am with the ASUS Zenfone Max M1 and the Max comes with the bigger battery. Here you can see we have already seen Max M1 Pro which was around 11,000 and this is Zenfone Max M1. This is a little lighter variant and coming to the device it comes with the 4G VoLTE support. In the back it comes with the written 3GB RAM, 32GB storage. It has a Snapdragon 430 inside it. 13 plus 5 megapixel camera setup. We will talk about this later. Now the price point of the device is written in the box is 9,599, but my guess is the price of the device will be 7,999. It will be exclusive on Flipkart. It will be coming in the two colors. It will be gold color and a dark blue color, which is kind of navy color. In the box we are getting some paperwork. Here you can see it is a quick start guide, a warranty card. These are the papers what you are getting. Other than that, in the box you are also getting the device. That this is the gold color device, and the device is coming with the 18:9 aspect ratio, which is a full view display ratio. We will talk about this later. But also checking inside that we are also getting a micro USB charging cable to do the data transfer, and for the charging there is also a charging pin adapter, and this comes with the 10-watt charger. So definitely this will do the fast charging for the Zenfone Max M1. But this is what we are getting in the device. There are no earphones present in the box. Now talking about the device looks pretty much lighter in weight. Though it has a 4000 milliampere battery and the display is 5.45 inch HD plus display. It has a 2.5D curved glass, 18:9 full view display. In the back you are getting a 13 megapixel camera with LED flash. There is a fingerprint sensor also present at the back. In the bottom you are getting the speaker grills, micro USB charging slot. There is also 3.5mm jack on the top, and for the device it comes pretty much with the metallic finish. This is definitely a plastic, not a metallic finish, and this is a unibody device. The micro USB charging cable slot is in the bottom. The speaker grills are also in the bottom. Now talking about the device, we will check it out on the Antutu score here. About the device, the device comes with the processor, octa-core processor, which is a Snapdragon 430, and ASUS has done an incredible job in bringing 430 in this budget range. You can see here it has a 32GB of internal storage, and you get 22GB of free storage inside the device, and you also get a hybrid SIM card slot where you can expand the memory. So talking about the OS, it is running on Android 8.0.0 Oreo with Zen UI 5.0, and it also has a Power Master which actually increases your performance. It will increase the speed of while using the device. It will stop the apps in the background and also help you in cleaning the apps what you are not using. Talking about the modes in the camera, you are getting auto mode, beauty mode, panorama mode, time lapse mode, and also the front camera is 5 megapixel coming with the device. This is all what we are getting with the ASUS Zenfone Max M1. This is at the rate I old monk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.